Welcome to the second part, how to create lovely images free. If you haven't seen the first part, I leave you the link above. Before that, subscribe to learn who to use AI tools. Okay, let's go. Open the Google search engine, or the one of your choice, type Genmo, and click here. Log in with your account. Click on Video. Paste or write the prompt. Upload the image. Click on Camera Motion here. Choose one of the options. And click in the Submit button. Don't worry because the prompt changed. Just wait. The result is this. Now you can save it and share it. Subscribe for more tutorials. I will teach you how to use these tools. I leave you an extra in the description. Thanks for watching.